Hello everybody, Shelly here. Today we are going through our BoxyCharm for the month of October. I got both boxes within a day of each other, so I'm going to film both of them. I mean, I guess I normally do, right? I normally do both at the same time. We've had rain, so I've got some frizz. I don't know which box is which, right? They both say BoxyCharm on them. One of them is significantly bigger than the other. Like, pretty darn, like if I put matched up in the corner, we got a pretty big difference here. I don't have a scale to tell you how much these things weigh, and I don't see anything else on them that looks like it would give it away. So we're gonna start with a smaller box, thinking that this is probably my Boxy Base or Boxy Classic box. Okay, it doesn't say anything on the inside, it just says BoxyCharm on it. The theme this month is BoxyCharm Candy Shop, and it looks like I have variation 72. So if you are not familiar or not already a subscriber of the BoxyCharm subscription services, there are three different options. You have the Boxy Classic, which is $25 a month. I think you're guaranteed $125 worth of product, and I think you get to choose one of them. Then there's the Boxy Premium, which is also a monthly subscription, $35 a month. I think you get to choose a couple items from there, and I think it's guaranteed to be like $175 or more. And then you have the Luxe version, which is $50 once a quarter. It takes the place of your Boxy Base if you happen to be on all three of them. You don't have to be, you can just be on one, whichever one you like the most. Last month was my Boxy Luxe, so I got Boxy Premium and Boxy Luxe last month. This time we're doing Boxy Base and Boxy Premium. So, okay, 72. 72 is my variation number, which means there are 71 other versions at least compared to what I've got. And I think they use the beauty quiz that you have to kind of determine what you're gonna get. At least that's my understanding. I don't work for BoxyCharm. I'm not affiliated. I don't get anything in PR. So this is just something that I paid for and I really like it. It's kind of fun. The first thing I'm seeing up, so again, it looks like this. I feel like there's something hidden underneath this thing, but we're gonna look at this. This is the Frank Body Glow Mask. The Frank Body Scrubs. Man, I can't use those because it's a huge mess in my bathtub, but my daughter loves them, so I always give those to her. I like masks. I'm okay with even a caffeinated mask here. So let's look. Okay, so it's creamy. There's no grit to it at all. Glow on, I dare you, it says. Frank Body Glow Mask, moisturizing face mask, is natural and ultra hydrating, works to reduce puffiness and gives skin extra life, glow, and brightness. Perfect for pre-makeup, late nights, morning afters, natural cruelty-free, and only takes 5 minutes to work. $21.95 is the MSRP on this face mask. I like face masks. I will absolutely use that. I'll let you know if I have any adverse reactions to it. If you see it in my empties video, then you'll know that I liked it. Okay, the next thing in here, this is the Farsali, I'm trying to find it, Privé Quench. So this is a serum that helps replenish moisture with a unique complex of low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. Staggered molecule weights of the hyaluronic acid are designed to help promote multi-depth hydration on both skin surface and the epidermis. Enriched with replenishing provitamin B5, the skin's elasticity appears improved as well as feeling and looking softer than before. $24 MSRP. So second skincare item. This one is pretty close to the price of the box, right? And I like the Farsali products. I actually have a whole kind of collection going, and I think I'm getting pretty close to kind of switching over my skincare routine to try it. So let's just try a little drop of that serum. Okay, so it is pretty, it's a thicker serum. It's not like a super watery serum like maybe the ordinary serums go. I don't detect really any scent. It is very slick on my hand. It feels like it's absorbing. It feels nice, actually. Okay, good. $24. I mean, shoot, if it works like they say, I probably would have paid more than that. Okay, the next item that I see in here is the Grown Alchemist. Okay, so this is a matte balancing moisturizer. Third skincare item in here. Lightweight moisturizer that hydrates facial skin while balancing the skin's oil levels, leaving skin with matte finish and increased clarity. MSRP $69. Oh, it's in a, like an aluminum package, not a plastic one. Try a little bit on. Our formulations represent a new evolution of scientifically capable biological beauty. That's kind of a mouthful. I don't detect any weird scents one way or the other. Okay, Grown Alchemist, matte balancing moisturizer. Okay, so I guess if you are oily or feel like you want to make sure you don't have any shine. I feel like I used a lot on the back of my hand. I probably didn't need as much as I ended up putting on there. Or I felt like it was going to be too much for a hand. But my hand actually feels very nice, very moisturized. I'll give it a try. The MSRP on that is how much? $69. Jury's out on whether I think it's worth $69. Okay, the next item in here, this is the Ace Beauty Dream It Lip Liner. And I've used some of the Ace Beauty palettes before. I feel like I've got another one that's kind of a fall-inspired palette, sort of in my queue of things to film with. It looks like Dollhouse, doesn't it? I'm doing this matte left-handed on super moisturized skin. Oh, but that's actually like the perfect nude, kind of rose nude lip liner for me. That looks really nice, actually. Draw It Lip Liner Duo. Wait, is there another one? Oh, there's another one in here. Hey, it's like a gift with purchase. Okay, so this one is significantly more red, bold. Oh, does have a little sharpener in the tail end, which is kind of fun. That tip seems like it's awfully far up there for me to be doing this left-handed. Okay, so I'm just gonna be gentle here and not ruin it. That color is a cool toned, kind of a reddish berry, raspberry, like a deep raspberry color. It doesn't really match the same color on here, I don't think. No, I'm not seeing that same color on the cap, which is fine. A little misleading, but not, you know, not the end of the world. So the two of these together looks like they're $16. So $8 a piece for a lip liner, yeah. That's something that I would pay. This brand, you know, I've not had any problems with the eyeshadow palettes. I want to think I've got like 3 other eyeshadow palettes maybe. Drawn Up lip liners are super pigmented liners that draw on smoothly and can be used to line lips or fill them in completely. Includes a sharpener at the base and can be used to sharpen the liner's tip. MSRP $16. Okay, totally fine with these lip liners. I have no issues at all. Okay, the last thing is the Pretty Vulgar Nesting Bitch Face. I mean, they don't say bitch. They've got it like characters. B exclamation point pound or hashtag percent H. It says Nesting Bitch Face Palette offers a beautiful selection of rosy blushes, sun-kissed bronzers, and creamy glowing highlighters. Must-have buildable shades, offer great payoff, and blend out like a dream. They're developed for a wide range of skin tones and perfect for controlling your perfect for contouring your face. Looks like MSRP on this is $32. This looks a little bit like either one of like the cheek leader type palettes or maybe a BH palette. I do get kind of like this rose gold shimmer here. I do have kind of a little bit more of a champagne-y kind of shimmer. I do have like a shiny shimmery bronze and then, you know, some cool tone kind of contours and a blush. This is actually really pretty. I don't know anything about this formula, but I have enjoyed these products in the past. All right, let me do the math really fast here. So I paid $25 for this one, right? So we've got the Pretty Vulgar face palette. We've got the Grown Alchemist matte balancing moisturizer, it was $69. We've got the Farsali Privé Quench, which was $24. We've got the Frank Body Glow Mask, which was $21.95. And the last thing was the Ace Beauty Drawn Up Lip Liner Duo for $16. So total, $162.95 for, what do we say, 5 products? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Yeah, so that's not too bad. A lot of skincare. So we've got a face mask, we've got a moisturizer, we've got a serum, we've got a lip liner and face products. What would you guys bet that we actually have a eyeshadow palette in this one? So I feel like we need some complexion products and maybe an eyeshadow palette. So we're gonna go into the Boxy Premium. Oh, and I know it says Boxy Premium on the box. It's also a different color on the inside. Oh my, so the first thing in here is some MAC eyelashes. And I normally don't wear eyelashes. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, I'm Shelly, and I just don't really wear eyelashes. Again, same BoxyCharm Candy Shop. I don't know that I necessarily felt Candy Shop from that first batch, but this is variation number 12. Okay, so where's my MAC Cosmetics? These are the 43 lash. MSRP on these is $18. For someone who doesn't wear lashes, would I spend $18 on lashes? These actually look like they're very... Okay, first of all, I'll answer the question. No, I probably would not spend $18 on lashes. That doesn't mean that I shouldn't spend $18 on lashes. It just means that I probably would not currently. So they are on like a super clear band on it. It seems flexible. They're not like a solid black band that then, you know, shows up and looks horrible. So these actually might look very natural once you trim them to the right length. Doesn't come with any glue. So the next thing on here, I see this Kosas, which is like, they're a Korean brand, aren't they? So fair light with natural undertones. Makeup meets skincare. Shake well before every use. What is this? Tinted face oil foundation. I like face oil foundations. I like the foundation serums and things like that. MSRP on this is $42. Clean featherweight light coverage foundation. Hydrating skin elixir with application takes as little as 10 seconds. Breathable formula, even skin tone, minimizes pores and erases imperfections while supporting skin health. I like this kind of, I don't know, like the Ordinary or I don't know, very almost like Dermalogica. Actually, yeah, I was worried that it would be too light toned. Boy, that feels super moisturizing. I don't smell anything, you know, hugely fragranced with it. Pretty nice kind of like sheen to the skin. This one's in 3.5 Fairlight with neutral undertones. I think they did a good job. Okay, that does actually seem like my shade here. Okay, so the next thing on here that I see, Illuminati X ISA, designed by Isabel Bidya. That's how you always know somebody's a reader, because I don't know how to pronounce anything. And Illuminati Cosmetics. This is an eyeshadow palette. Collaboration with Isabel Bidya. Bedoya? Oh, it's Bdoya. It's not Beddy. Illuminati Cosmetics has collaborated with Isabel Bedoya for ultra versatile palette. Create an evening glam look or perfect daytime looks. Shade range from pastels to bright colors and neutrals. There's a look for every person. MSRP is $48. Now this is shrink wrapped. Take my handy dandy tweezers and cut it open. You know, one of these days I'll be smart enough to put scissors in here. Or like Kelly Strack and do it like a huge ass box cutter. Oh, this is actually kind of fun. So it looks like it's got some like night sky, sort of Milky Way, and then it's got, you know, some cloud, cumulus cloud type pinks and stuff on it. All right. Oh, my husband just called, so I got a little distracted, but I'm back. And so, yeah, we've got this palette. So it looks like it's got 15 shades. So in order for me to get the coloring to not look crazy washed out, my autofocus doesn't want to work. So I gotta mess around with some more settings apparently on the camera. Sorry, not a professional YouTuber, not a professional makeup artist. Hi, I'm Shelly. Okay, as far as like neutrals go, I've got a super dark color, which I would use. I've got kind of a little, maybe not this orange so much, maybe this one's kind of a little bit more like a sienna color, burgundy. I might use some of those for like an everyday kind of work look. These, you've got some super bold colors in here, right? You've got this metallic-y, oh, it's more like a topper, I guess. Kind of an iridescent, celestial sort of topper down here. Kind of shifts blue and purple, so maybe like a duochrome. Then you've got like a purple, you've got a light blue, kind of a, wouldn't call it a Kelly green, but maybe like a lime green. A bright yellow, which also looks like a shimmer. Then you've got like kind of like this, maybe like a cobalt blue. I don't know, I should probably reading you guys the shades listed on here. Yeah, that's not gonna tell you what they are. But we've got a gold, we've got a white, we've got a black. So, I mean, I feel like there's enough in here that if you're someone who does, you know, a couple different shades, you probably get a good amount of looks from it. But if you're somebody who's super creative, if these pigments pay off, this might be kind of fun for the days that you really want to step it up. This is not a palette that I would normally have reached for and gravitated for unless somebody was like, oh my gosh, this is a fantastic palette, you have to try it. So we should probably play with it, huh? MSRP and that's $48. Okay, so we've got lashes, which I'm probably not going to put on. We've got eyeshadow palette. We have base face stuff. Okay, so next thing on here is the go-to exfoliating swipies. Why does that sound like Letterkenny? Little swipies. The MSRP is $35. It says these single-use exfoliating pads soaked in an all-natural solution get rid of dead skin cells and hydrate the skin. The well-documented effectiveness of lactic acids, the most gentle of all AHAs, is combined with ultra-hydrating essential oils to create face exfoliation that thoroughly removes dead skin cells, refines skin textures, minimizes the appearance of fine lines, and deeply moisturizes. MSRP is $35. I like these little face swipe things. I've never called them swipies before. I call them like pre-moistened pads. There's a little tiny citrus scent maybe. I think we need to try these. Okay, the next one is the Clarins Instant Smooth Line Smoothing Perfecting Touch. I like the Clarins products. I've actually done a whole regimen of Clarins products before. Ultra light award-winning primer leaves an imperceptible veil over the skin surface, silkening micro pearls, fill in pores, fine lines, and deep wrinkles. Vitamin E hydrates, nourishes for foundation-ready skin. Experience the Clarins difference makeup with skincare benefits. $39 MSRP on this. So, okay, you guys, I'm feeling like we have like a full, oh, one more thing. There's one more product in here. Okay, that's another bright red lipstick. This is the Laura Geller 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color. $21 MSRP. I'm not going to read the whole thing to you. I mean, it's a little orangey, but more of a true red. I feel like this is less orange than, say, the lip color I got recently in that Lala AIA beauty bundle. Oh, I gotta tell you how much all this is here. So this was a $35 monthly subscription. So I got $48 for the eyeshadow palette. Clarins primer was $39. Tinted face oil foundation was $42. Exfoliating swipies from Go-To Skincare was $35. MAC Cosmetics lashes were $18. And the Laura Geller 50 Kisses lip locking liquid lip color, $21. So I feel like I got, I mean, between the two boxes, what is that? Almost $400. $60 was my investment in this for about almost close to $400 worth of products. I'm not upset by that at all. I might have a referral code down below, but again, I'm not sponsored, affiliated, endorsed. So you guys, that is a lot of really fantastic products. I'm excited to see this. This is so much better than the Ipsy boxes, you guys. I'm sorry if you guys love Ipsy. I commend you guys on loving Ipsy. I tried it for a couple months and just, I couldn't fall in love with it. I didn't recognize the products. These are all products that, for the majority, I mean, there's some new brands to try, but there's also a lot of products that I know, that I'm familiar with, that have a good reputation, that I feel okay about just trying products that I wouldn't have purchased. I don't own any of these things already, so kind of fun to, you know, acquire some things and throw them in your collection. I am gonna film another video that will be the next video that goes up. I don't know, maybe I'll throw it up on a Saturday as an extra video, but I'm gonna take all my makeup off. I'm gonna start with the face mask, and I'm gonna go through the whole thing of everything that I got in my base classic box and my BoxyCharm Premium box. I'm gonna try them all. I'm gonna try to do a whole face of everything that I got in these boxes, and if you guys are at all interested on my first impressions review and what I can come up with, lady of a certain age, playing with some crazy eyeshadows and some other products that I haven't used before. I hope you guys subscribe, hope you guys stick around. This video is probably gonna go up maybe on Friday, so maybe my Saturday bonus video, I'll share this with you guys. I would love to hear from you guys. If you guys can leave me a comment, tell me what variations did you get. Again, 72 was my Boxy Classic, variation 12 was my Boxy Premium. I'm gonna try to do a giveaway at 250 subscribers. I'm just a lady of a certain age who's been playing with makeup for a very long time, and because I'm not sponsored, affiliated, endorsed, I get to share with you my honest opinion. Why wouldn't you want someone's honest opinion? I don't know. I do. I'm apparently too washed out right now, so I'm going to say goodbye and say I'm still working on my filming and my lighting, and I'm sorry, you guys. Bear with me. Stick with me. I wish you guys nothing but the best until my next video. Bye for now.